Traveling can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it's important to be prepared in order to make the most of your trip. Here are 10 of my top travel tips. 1. Planning ahead and researching your destination will help you to make the most of your time. Avoid common mistakes and know what to expect. 2. Packing light will make your travel experience more comfortable, save you money on baggage fees, and make it easier to navigate through airports and public transportation. 3. It's important to bring copies of important documents such as your passport and travel insurance, just in case the originals are lost or stolen. 4. Being mindful of local customs and laws will help you to avoid any cultural misunderstandings and ensure a pleasant experience for everyone. 5. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can be helpful in communicating with locals and making your way around. 6. Keeping valuables and cash in a safe place and being aware of pickpocketing will help to prevent theft. 7. Using a money belt or hidden pouch with RFID protection to keep your valuables secure will give you peace of mind when out and about. 8. Checking for any travel warnings or alerts for your destination will help you to stay safe and informed. 9. Being flexible with your itinerary will allow for unexpected events or delays, and make it easier to adapt to changing circumstances. 10. Being prepared for unexpected weather will help you to enjoy your trip even if the weather doesn't cooperate. These are just some of my most popular travel tips. What are your favorite travel tips? Leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos.